Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am your math teacher from nursery. Today's our lesson is counting from 1 to 5. Let's start counting. Count and write number. 1, 1 balloon. 1, 1 balloon. 2, 2 balloons. 1, 2. How many balloons are there? 1, 2. 2 balloons. 3 balloons. 3 balloons. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons. 4 balloons. 4 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balloons are there? 4 balloons. 5 balloons. 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balloons are there? 5 balloons. 5 balloons. Let's count it again. 1 balloon. 2 balloons. 3 balloons. 4 balloons. 5 balloons. Again count with me. Count and read with me. 1 balloon. 2 balloons. 3 balloons. 4 balloons. 5 balloons. Now count only numbers. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we read from book. Open it. Look at page number 1. Look at page number 1. Now we read number 1 with pictures. Which number is this? 1. 1 apple. 1 apple. 1 cow. 1 cow. 1 cow. 1. Which number is this? 1. Now students, you memorize number 1 with pictures. This is your work. Okay, Allah Hafiz.